friends. I'm going to sing an English hymn for you. Jesus, what a wonder you are. Jesus, what a wonder you are. You are so gentle, so pure and so kind. You shine like the morning star. Jesus, what a wonder you are. We ask for India, we call her by name. We present her to the Father in Jesus' name. We ask not for riches, we ask not for gain. We ask for India in Jesus' name. We ask for the masses, for the millions of souls who are lost without Jesus, outside of the fold. Lord, help us to see them with compassion like yours, to reach out and lead them to the good shepherd's door. Jesus, what a wonder you are. You are so gentle, so pure and so kind. You who shine like the morning